Hi guys, welcome to the Racing Buddy. So today we are going to discuss on the topic of dice. So let's start the video. Yeah, okay. Just a second. I'm setting it. I'm working on it. Just a second. Yeah. So today our topic is dice. So I will explain briefly about dice before going to problems. So listen carefully. Yeah. Just a second. I think you can see it. Yeah. So see. So we know about dice. Yeah, next. So there will be two concepts in dice, that is open dice and closed dice. So you know well, that is if you close open dice means they will open a dice and you have to solve it. So like this, the open dice will be given now. So they asked you to form the die. So that is about open dice. And now closed dice. Closed dice means you have to find there is only one main thing in closed dice is you have to find the opposite side. So opposite side find JLE. So let's go for sums, you can understand. So there will be in closed die there will be two dice, there is standard die and ordinary die. I think you can see it. Yeah. What is a standard die? So for example, you take this die as a for example. So if you add the two adjacent surfaces, so the sum should not be equal to 7. So you have to do it for 1 4 1 5 and 5 4. If the all the sums means 1 plus 4 5 5 is not equal to 7, and 5 plus 4 is 9 9 is not equal to 7. So if you get all in all cases, if you get it is not equal to 7, then it is called a standard die. You can make it easy. So if you take what is the opposite for 1 in this case only, so you can you have to add a number which makes 7. So that is if the sum of 1 and another number should be 7, so that is 6. So 1 is the opposite number of 6, and for 5 it is easy, that is 5 plus 7 is equals to 7. Okay, right. So next 4 and 3, you know that. So this type of dice are called standard dice. The possibility must be should not be equal to the adjacent faces are not equal to 7 in this case. So another one is ordinary dice. So if it is equal to 7, then it is called an ordinary die. So let's go for sums. Before going sums, so I will set the sums on screen. So just a second. Sorry for the late. So let's we go for problems. So we have some, so on first close the die. So just a second. I think you can see the problem. So wait, you can't see the left starting die, right? Yeah, I think you can see the sum. Yeah, so I'm giving you the sum, just a second. Yeah, do this sum. So I'll explain this, just listen carefully. So they here they ask which number. So here they ask which number of the face opposite to 7. So they ask the number which is opposite to 6, sorry 6 not 7. So just a second, so something went wrong. Why it was not occurring? So yeah, just a second. So wait. So you do this sum until that figuring out the problem why annotate option is not coming. Just a second. So just a second, I'm setting up the screen. Yeah, hope you don't mind this because of some technical issues. Yeah. So all of you try this sum, then after I will explain it, right? Yeah. So it is first sum, right? So I will explain it. Don't worry. Yeah. Here they ask to find the opposite to 6, right? So opposite to 6. So I will tell you a simple method for this. So don't take this 2, sorry. Yeah, don't. So first check the where 6 is there. and what are the common numbers. So here for 6 and there are 5 and 4 here, and here also there are 5 and 4. So these two are common numbers in these two dice, so don't take this die and don't consider this die too. So in this case, if there are two common numbers, just a second, yeah, in this case if there are two common numbers, the other number should be equal. So sorry, not equal, the other number is the opposite side of remaining number, that is, wait, so here 5 and 4 and here also 5 and 4, so these two are common in those days, then the remaining numbers are the opposite. So 6 opposite number is 2, so the opposite number of 6 is 2. So I think it is clear. So if you have any doubt, comment on comment section. So next, yeah, here they ask the opposite side for 2. So try this. I am giving you the timer of 30 seconds. Yeah, so I think it's very easy, as I think. So comment your answer on comment section, so I will explain it. Yeah, so here they ask the opposite number of 2. So so I think there are no commons for 2, so let's go for another method, that is which are not an opposite number for 2. If you consider that also, we can get the answer easily. So that is so remember one thing, if the in a representation of cube, if there are 3 numbers on adjacent sides, it will be not a opposite side, as you know, you can know that. So 2 is not the opposite numbers of 2 is not 5 and 1, you can clearly know that. So 5 and 1 are not opposite side of 2, and here you can see, so 6 and 4 are also not opposite. So if simply you can say that ఇక్కడ అడిగిన నెంబర్కి రిప్రజెంటేషన్లో ఇంకా 2 నెంబర్స్ ఒకే క్యూబ్ మీద రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే ఆపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ కావు. ఓకే, సో యూ కెన్ క్లియర్లీ, సో బ్లైండ్లీ దానికి వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. సో దట్ ఈస్, సో హియర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఈ 4 ఆపోజిట్ నెంబర్స్ కాదు 2కి. సో ఇంకా డైస్లో 5 1 6 4 కాకుండా ఇంకేముంటుంది 3. సో 3 ఈజ్ ద ఆపోజిట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ 2. So 3 is the opposite number of 2. Yeah. So next sum. So here they asked again opposite number of 2 in a different manner. So that is, I think you can see the sum. So sorry. So I think you can't see. Just a second. Yeah, now you can see it. Yeah. So here they ask opposite number of 2, so I am checking for commons. So there are no 2 common numbers. So if there are 1 common number, so we can go for another thing. So that is yeah, here you can see 6, and here also you can see 6. So there is a method. So 6 కి యాంటీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ గా ఒక నెంబర్ వస్తుంది కదా, సారీ క్లాక్ వైజ్ ఒక నెంబర్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో హియర్ దేర్ ఆర్ 2 కామన్స్. సో క్లాక్ వైజ్ తీసేసుకో. సో ఇగ్నోర్ దట్ క్లాక్ వైజ్ మెథడ్. సో ఐ విల్ సే, సో ఇక్కడ 6 1 కామన్ అండ్ 6 1 కామన్. సో 6 1 కామన్ అయితే, సో 2 నెంబర్స్ కామన్ అయితే రిమైనింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఆపోజిట్ కదా. సో 3 and 4 are opposite. We can get that from these 2 dice. So next, or else, so here you can see 2 5 are common Here also 2, 5 are common, and 4 and 3 are again opposite side. So we can know that very easily from any dice. So here in question they ask for 2, not for 3 or 5. So we have to calculate it for 2. So again I am taking the last method, it is not an opposite face. That is 4 is not an opposite. Sorry, 3 is not an opposite. 4 is also not an opposite. 5 is also not an opposite because these two are represented on the same adjacent faces of a cube. Sorry, dice. Yeah, and so these are not an opposite side. So next, so what are the remaining? 1 and 6 are remaining. So here we can know that. So there are two options. So we have to find. We will get only one. So how to find that one is I'm going to take another side, that is for 1. For 1 I am taking. So here you can see. So 6 and 1 are on same edges in faces. So that is 6 is not an opposite side, and here 3 also you can see. So 3 is also an opposite side, and now yeah, and 4 is also not an opposite side. Yeah, that's it. So here we can get 5 and 1. So again we are getting the same two options. So in these two options, so just go for there will be, so they are given options in exams, so that is 3, 4 or 6. In the last option they will given can't be determined. So can't say or data inadequate. So this type of options you can go that. You can go for that if you got two options. Okay, right. So next question. So find the opposite face to 3. So here you can see 3. So in 3 you can go for, here 3 and 1 are common, here also 3 and 1 are common. So now 3, so you can see here 2 and 5 are an opposite faces. We can know that. So that is 2 and 5 are opposite. So next, so here you can see 2, 4 are common, and here also again 2, 4 are common. So then 3 and 6 should be opposite side. So that is 3 and 6, and remaining are 1 and 4 are opposite faces. So in question they ask for 3. What is the opposite side of 3? That is 6. So answer is 6, right? Yeah, if you have any doubts or if you got any answers, so just comment on comment section. So try this. So I'm giving you time. So 30 seconds. Try this. I have given you extra time too. So let's check it. So here you can see 6, 3 and 6, 3 are common. So next, so if 2 are common, so the remaining are opposite. So 2 and 5 are opposite. in question they ask for 2, so the opposite face for 2 is 5. So like that you can find. So next, a dice is thrown 4 times. So I think you can see the question clearly here. A dice is thrown 4 times and 4 different positions are shown below. Find the number on the face opposite the facing showing 2. So here they are asking indirectly the opposite face for 2. Indirectly they were asking for 2 they are asking. Now yeah, here so ఇందాక మీకు clockwise direction theory method చూపించాను. So I am explaining now that. So if only one face are common for 2 dice, so go for clockwise method. So ఇక్కడ 4 కామన్ ఉంది, 4 కి ఫస్ట్ clockwise లో వచ్చే ఫేస్ 3 సారీ 5. సో ఇక్కడ ఫేస్ 3. సో then 5 and 3 are opposite. You can clearly take it down. So next is 1 and here next is 6. So 1 and 6 are opposite. So absolutely for remaining are 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 are opposite. Yeah, here in question they ask for 2. So the opposite face for 2 is 4. So next, which of the following is the face opposite to 3? They are asked the face opposite to 3. So see here, so again you can take this clockwise theory. So here 6 is common for these 2 dice. So clockwise direction, that is 3. First one is 3. So here the first one is 4. So 3 and 4 are opposite. And next 1 5 and here next one according to clockwise is 1. So 5 and 1 are opposite. So the remaining are 2 and 6 are opposite. So in question they asked for 3. So what is the opposite side for 3? The opposite side for 3 is 4. So answer is 4. Next, so in this they were asked for an alphabet mirror here. So let's see. So here also you can take this clockwise theory. So not a theory, it's a method. So first clockwise alphabet was D. So here D. So B and D are opposite. Next here E and here A. So E and A were opposite and the remaining C and F are opposite. So in the question they asked for A. So what is the opposite for A here? That is E. Okay, next. So here they asked not opposite to 1. So here they asked for not opposite to 1. That is, so here 5. Which number is on the face not opposite to 1, right? So here you can go for, so not opposite to means okay dice method represent a adjacent any not opposite కింద వస్తాయి. So that is 5 and 3 are not opposite to 1. 5, 3 is the answer. So next sum. So I think you can see the sum clearly. Yeah, right. So 2 positions of the blocks are shown. When 2 dots is at bottom, which number will be the top? So here they are asking indirectly, that is the opposite face for 2. Indirectly they were asking, don't confuse by seeing question. So that is for 2. So here you can see 2 and 5 are common. Here also 2 and 5 are common. So 4 and 3 are opposite pairs. So I am writing here. So 4 and 3 are opposite. So next. So here okay. Now so there are no opposite. Sorry, there are no commons. So I'm going for not an opposites. That is for 2. Here you can see 5. So they are 5 is adjacent. So it is not an opposite. So 5. So ఇక్కడ 4 3 ఒక pair, so that's why 4 3 కూడా opposite అవుతుంది. So I'm writing here 4 3. So ఇక్కడ possibilities are 1 and 6. So clearly understand. So 1 and 6 are the possibilities. Now so I'm taking for 1. If I take for 1, 6 3 4. So again two possibilities was the next. So this will be leave for can't be determined or data inadequate. So in options they will give the so go for that option. So next, open dice. So this is open dice. So let me go for open dice. So open dice means they will cut a dice like this and they will ask to form a dice like this, right? Okay, so these are the examples for open dice. We will go for questions. So these are the cases, so we can know that case. So if you do the problems we can know that. So let's go. I think you can see the question. Yeah. When the given figure is folded to form a cube, which face is opposite to the face with 2? So I will tell you a trick. So ఇక్కడ ఒక ఫస్ట్ క్యూబ్ నుంచి ఒక గ్యాప్ వదిలేసి సో మేక్ ఇట్ చెప్పారు. సో ఇది ఆపోజిట్. సో తర్వాత ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి 4 కి ఒకటి లీవ్ ఇస్తే 5 is a opposite pair. So the remaining should be a opposite pair. So they ask for 2. The opposite pair for 2 is 1. So ఒక బాక్స్, సో ఒక ఫేస్ లీవ్ ఇచ్చి, సో టేక్ దిస్ యాజ్ ఎ ఫేస్, ఒక ఫేస్ లీవ్ ఇచ్చి ఆపోజిట్ pair ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో రిమైనింగ్ 2 are opposite absolutely. So next, when the given figure is folded to form a cube, okay, then which face is opposite to the face with blue? So ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టు సో one leave which తీసుకోండి. So here also you can see, so the remaining green and pink are opposite. Here in question they ask for blue, so here the opposite pair for blue is yellow. So yellow is the correct answer. So next, you can see questions. Wait, I'm going to yeah. When the given figure is folded to form a cube, then which face is opposite to 2 3? So so take one gap. So I'm taking for 3 is 5. So the remaining 2 is the opposite pair. Okay, here they are in question they ask for 3. So what is the opposite face for 3 is 5. So next, so these are very easy sums. In this some geometrical figures will be given. So that is some of hard in this type of questions. Okay. So when the given figure is folded to form a cube, which face is opposite to 2D? So as I said, so take one leave and choose the opposite face. So for E it is B. So the the remaining two, that is F and C are the pair. In question they ask for D. So here you can see for D is A, right. So next, when the given figure is folded to form a cube, then which is opposite to the face with 5? So do this. It's a very tricky and easy. So I will do this. So here you can see the one, take one leave and next. So 3 and 5 are opposite pair, the remaining 1 and 2 are opposite. 1 and 2 are opposite pair. In question they ask for 5. So what is the opposite for 5 is 3. Okay, so next. Again these are same questions. So next. So for 5 is 4 and 6 is 3 and 2 is remain 2 and is 1. So for 5 is 4. So just a second. Sorry, so my mic is muted. So next. Yeah. So this is the, as I said, this is a geometrical figures they will given. So see, so here they will give an options. In that options which is possible you have to choose. So first you have to make a opposite pair selections. So that is 3 and 1, absolutely 2 and 5. So sorry, 2 and 4. So what is the opposite face for 5 is you have to combine these 4 given triangles, then it will form a square, right? So if you form, what will come? So that is, just a second. Yeah, so I'm taking it as a square. So taking 4 triangles. Yeah, so if you form here, the into will become and take a place as given in the question. So here hashtag will become, so here, and a small square. So so this is the opposite side for 5. సో ఇక్కడ ఎట్లా చూస్ చేసుకోవాలంటే ఆప్షన్స్ నుంచి ఆపోజిట్స్ ఎప్పుడు అడ్జసెన్స్ లో మనకు కనపడవు. సో బై దట్ మెథడ్ వీ కెన్ చూస్ ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ 5 3 6 అనేది అసలు మనకు ఆప్షన్ లో లేదు. సారీ, డైస్ మీద రిప్రజెంటేషన్ లో 6 లేదు. సో వీ కాంట్ టేక్ ఇట్. సో 2 4 and 3. సో ఇక్కడ 2 and 3 ఆర్ అన్ ఆపోజిట్ పేర్. ఆపోజిట్ పేర్ ఎప్పుడు adjacents లో ఉండదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. సో 4 and 3. సో 4 and 3 పాసిబుల్. అండ్ ఇక్కడ గివెన్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ 6 and 3 ఇచ్చారు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్. సో ఇంకా ఎలిమినేషన్ మెథడ్ చూసుకుంటే ఇంక ఇదే ఆప్షన్. సో నెక్స్ట్, here you can see, so select the opposite pairs, that is 3 and 1. So 6 and 5, the remaining 4 and 2. So how many dice are possible? So ikkada 6 4 2. So 6, so ikkada 4 2. Okay, 4 2 is an opposite pair, but ikkada adjacent lo ichcharu, so it is wrong. Next 1 4 3. 4 1 3 is an opposite pair, so it can't be exist. So 3 4 6. So 3 4 6 can be possible, so we have to check D also. 2 5 6. So 6 and 5 is an opposite pair, so option C is correct. So next, So you have to check an opposite pair again, that is 1 2 4 and 1 6 and 5 3. Yeah, so next we will go for options. So 1 3 and 5. So 5 and 3 is an opposite pair, it can't exist an adjacent. So 2 6 4. So 2 4 is also an opposite pair. 1 3 4. Yeah, it can be possible. So we have to check option D also. 1 3 6. So 1 and 6 is an opposite pair, it can't be exist. So option C is correct again. So next, how many dice are possible? So again take an opposite. So these are same and easy. So there will be bit hard in next type of problems. Wait for it. So do you want to do this? So comment your answer on comment section. Okay. Yeah. So I will explain this. So 153. Sorry, 154. So it can be possible. So 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So it is also possible. So check that in this opposite side we have drawn. So 2 6 5. So 2 and 5 is an opposite pair. 1 3 4. 1. So 3 and 4 is also an opposite pair. So option A and B are correct. Okay. Next. So how many dice are possible? So here you can take 1 1 and 4, 5 and 2, and 3 and 6. So first I'm going for options 1 2 4. So 1 and 4 is an opposite pair, it's not possible. So 6 3 5. So 6 and 3 is also an opposite pair. 1 2 6. So 1 and 2 is an opposite pair. Sorry, 1 and 2 is not an opposite. 1 and 4 is an opposite. Yeah. So it can be possible. And next 1 6 3. 1 6. So 6 and 3 is an opposite pair. So it also not possible. So the option is C. Next. How many dice are possible again? So 1 and 4, 5 and 2, and 6 and 3. So itla opposite side describe cheskoni options ki vellali. So 1 3 5. So here you can see 1 is 1 and 4 another pair. No, yeah. So it is possible. Ekkada opposite pair levu anni adjacents. So 2 4 6. So 2 4 6 it is also a possible. 1 6 4. So ikkada 1 and 4 is an opposite pair, right? So that's why it's not possible. So 3 5 6. Here you can see 3 and 6 are opposite. So it is also not possible. So options are A, comma B, right? So next, how many dice are possible? So that is I'm making an opposite pair selections. So that is 6 5 1 3 and 4 2. In options they given, so you can see options. Can I zoom? So you can see options clearly. So here you can see 4 6 2. So 2 and 4 is an opposite pair. Here you can see 2 and 4 is opposite pair. We have marked it. So 1 4 3 1 4 and 3. So 1 and 3 is opposite pair. So here you can see that 1 and 3 is an opposite pair. So 3 6 4. 3 6 and 4. Yeah, it can be possible. 2 5 6. So 5 and 6 is an opposite pair. So here you can see that 5 and 6 we have drawn a line. So the option is C. Next. So that's it. We have completed our session. Thank you. So please share this video to your friends who are preparing for NTSC exams. So it can be helpful to you. Sorry, can be helpful to your friends. So please like the video. So if you want more videos like this, please comment which topic do you want. So I'm ending this session. Okay. See you with the next topic, another topic. So comment if you want any particular topic. You can particular topic, want to comment it. So bye guys.